I am going to explain or verify experimentally the pair of vertically opposite angles are equal. This is our objective. So first of all, we should understand that what are the vertically opposite angles. When two lines intersect each other and the pair of angle having the vertex common and no sides common, then this is known as the pair of vertically opposite angles here. Now I am going to explain how can we verify it experimentally. For this purpose, whatever the material we will use to verify it, first of all, we will take a cardboard here, plain cardboard, and scales and 360-degree compass here. So we can see here that we have taken a cardboard and 360-degree compass is stick on it here, and we take two scales here. We take here two scales here. For this, what we observe here, these are the two scales here. These are the two scales here, and this 360-degree compass is fixed on it, and we take the center of the 360-degree compass and two scales. Now what we observe here, we can name it the end of the scale here A and B, similarly the C and D. Now in each case that we see here, now we are going to demonstrate it like this. Different positions of the scale, different scale. So this angle and this angle, these are two pair of vertically opposite angle. Similarly, we are seeing here the two pair of vertically opposite angle here also, this one and this one. So one pair and the other pair, and we measure the angle here and this angle here. So we can write here AOC, BOC, BOD, and AOD. And what we observe here is the pair of vertically opposite angle, for example AOC and BOD. So AOC, BOD, these two angles will be equal here. Similarly, we can change the position of the scale here. So we can also observe third observation. We measure this angle and this one angle, AOC and BOD. We write here similarly COD and this one angle here, and we can observe that AOC, BOD, these two angles will be equal. Similarly, we can say that the pair of vertically opposite angles here are equivalent. And similarly, now where we can apply it? We can apply the pair of vertically opposite with the help of pair of vertically opposite angles. This angle and these two angles. This angle and this angle are equal. This angle and this angle form a linear pair of angle. So this is the demonstration and verification of experimentally the pair of vertically opposite angles are equal. In the other part we can also use this one here. We take the position. If we are not using the scale here, so we can use strips here and a compass here. Now we can observe here this angle and this angle both, and this pair is measures of these pairs are equal. So we can say that the pair of vertically opposite angles are equal. Thank you, sir.